You're young, ambitious, and you'll want to make it big early in your life. Imagine finishing your classes, chilling with friends, and still having money left over, while everyone else is broke, borrowing cash, or stressing about bills. Sounds impossible? It's not. Most students waste money and scroll endlessly, but you're different. You want systems that actually work. Rich students don't just grind, they build habits that multiply their time and money. Daily routines like learning a skill, saving a portion of income, or planning small projects separate the future winners from the rest. You can start online, launch a small YouTube or TikTok channel, do freelance work, stream your gaming, or flip items online. Even 30 minutes a day compounds. Combine it with saving, learning, and small investments, and your money starts working for you. You need to get a part-time job, even at a cafe or restaurant, and stop relying on parents. Earning your own money gives freedom and experience, so you can use the money to invest in your businesses, equipment, or hire a freelancer to do it for you. While your friends are stressing over rent or borrowing cash, you're building skills, side hustles, and a lifestyle that actually gives freedom. Feels way better, right? Stop asking how to survive student life. Ask, how can I create systems that make money for me now and for my future? Comment below, what's the first small hustle you'll start this week?